Hey everyone, welcome back to Techlogy, my YouTube channel. Today we will be learning about making dynamic sales dashboards in Excel, in which we will be learning drop-downs, KPIs, and auto-operating of the charts. So first thing first, let's talk about this raw data. And raw data contains information about a region, salespersons, months in which sales have been made, and the sales, actual sales, and the number of the target which have been set. So in order to make a dynamic sales dashboard, we need to define some KPIs and we need to define some dashboard summary first. And from that data, we will be making a dynamic chart. So let's start. Right. Dashboard summary section. Next, we will be considering a drop-down cell and then total sales. Let's say we want to find out that what are the total sales in a particular region. So from the drop-down, total target, and then we will define a KPI, that percentage, how much percentage sales achieved in that particular region. Great. So for the drop down, we will be actually changing the regions. So go to the data, go to data validation, and here select list and then source. So actually we want to select from any region. So that's why we have selected this source, then press OK. Now you can see we can use this drop down to change the region. So let's say we change the region to the west. Now our aim here in this H3 cell is to calculate the total sales combined in the west region, no matter in which month or by which salesperson. Our aim is to find the summation of the sales in the west region. So we will use SUMIFS here. SUMIFS, tab, first sum range. So these are obviously from sales, that's why we are selecting the sale, but the criteria is from this region. Then we will select the criteria should be from here, so but it should be locked, it's not floating. So here we go. So you can see we have two entries from the west region, 7 and 8. So 6,800 plus 8,700, it will be 15,500. Likewise, we will define total sales, total target, sorry. Step. Now the sum rating from target, then but the region is same. So press enter. Now you can clearly see that in the west region, 7,000 plus 7,000, overall 14,000 total target was set. So percentage it will be obviously calculated from the formula, this divided by total target. Here we go. But actually we want to show it into percentage in our look, in our lookout. So we will go to the cell formatting, format, then cell format, then here percentage. We don't want to go into the decimal places. We just want it to be like this. Great. Now 111% achieved. And more we actually want to make it green if it is more than 100%. So for that, we will go to the conditional formatting here, and we will define a rule, and that rule must be based on the whatever it's contained inside the cell. The cell value is greater than or equal to 1. If it's greater than or equal to 1, it means if it's at 100% or greater than 100%. So then you have to change the background color to the green. Great. Okay. But if it is not, then it should be red. So again, we will decide another. If it's less than 1, it should be, manage rules, edit rules. If it's less than 1, then format it to be red, like this. Great. Apply. Great. So now let's say it's something less than 14,000, then it will be less than 111%, and then it will be red. So great. Now you can change your region. Any region you want to find the values from the north region, then you can have that. Now we want to show it in a chart. For that, we will select these two and insert, go to the recommended charts and all charts. Then in the column section, let's say we want to select this cluster column chart. So okay, now here we go. Let's make it a little bit manageable in size. Great. Now you can see total sales and the total target is here. Now let's say we want to decide the chart title based on the region. It must say some region. So first we will be defining something like this. So it will be like total sales versus total sales versus total target. Then like this and this. Great. So it's great. Now I have to change the title with this. It's now G1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's G6. Now define it here. Equal to G6. G6. My bad. So we have to write this actually. Great. Now if we want to change the region from north to the west, so everything in the dashboard will change. Total sales versus target west. So sales are 14,000 and 15,000 something. Now this is something great. You can also do this with a salesperson as well if you are interested in which salesperson have achieved what value. So this is how it works, and this is all about today's tutorial. And you can change the region to any region you want, let's say to the south, and it will now calculate total sales, total target, and the percentage of these sales, and it will also change this chart, this cluster chart. So this is all for today. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Please do subscribe and like my channel so that I may continue doing this good work. Thank you so very much.